It's Mindset Monday, and I'm going to talk about why you're never too old to start solo cruising. Now, I'm 58 years old now, but I didn't start solo cruising until 2016, and I was 49 at the time. And even though it was a new experience, it was all unknown to me, I just went for it. And I found that I had a great time. I found there were other people to meet on the ship. I had no idea. Even at that time, there weren't solo meetups, but they had singles tables. And I was able to go and have dinner, meet other people. So it was just something that, it was new, I was older, but I went for it and had a great time. Now, even more so today, solo cruising is becoming popular. There are more and more people solo cruising and solo traveling, and more people of all ages solo traveling. But if you're older and you're new to this world, you may be wondering if you're going to find other people that are of the same age and who have the same interests that you do. I can assure you that on my 40 plus solo cruises across now 11 different cruise lines, on each one I can say that I've seen solos of all ages. And you, as an older solo traveler, well, you may be better suited for solo cruising or solo traveling than many others, because maybe you're more settled in your lifestyle, maybe you're an empty nester, so you have that freedom to go and pick up and do an itinerary or travel as you please. And just perhaps you've had a long time travel partner, and for various reasons that partner is no longer with you. I can say for all the ships that I've been on, from Carnival to Explorer Journeys, there have been other older people there as well, enjoying the atmosphere. And even on Explorer Journeys, I had the pleasure of dining with other older ladies. Came across a couple of other ladies who had lost their husbands. They were widows. And they came on the cruise solo and they had a great time. And I enjoyed talking to them and hanging out with them as well. And as an older solo cruiser, well, you're actually more likely to enjoy yourself a little bit more, or at least to enjoy yourself your way, because you're not likely to try to hang out and fit in and just do what everybody else is doing. You're likely to cruise your way from the start. And as an older solo traveler, that's what traveling is all about. It's about exploring. It's about finding yourself. It's about being comfortable and doing what you want to do. If you want to connect with others, well, today there are more opportunities than ever on a ship. There are solo meetups, solo dining, and you can meet up with others. Or if you're the type of cruiser that you want to just stay to yourself, maybe you're going for just relaxation, self-care, and you just wanted that time to yourself. You want to find a cubby and just read a book, listen to the ocean, relax, listen to the waves. So you can do whatever you want and cruise the way you want to cruise. If you've been a little hesitant about trying solo cruising for the first time because you think it's a ship full of younger party people and that it's not going to be for you, then no. Trust me, you have a ship full of friends already waiting for you. There's also a lounger poolside or oceanside just waiting for you. It has your name on it. So if you're a little bit older and you've been hesitant about solo traveling or solo cruising for the first time, then don't be. Trust me, after the first cruise, you're going to be wondering, what took me so long?